Imagine a floating giant nearly the size of two football fields navigating the vast open ocean. This is the K Asian Beauty, a true behemoth of the seas. Measuring 604 feet in length and about 100 feet in width, this ship is built to transport thousands of vehicles across continents. Towering as high as a 12-story building above the waterline, its sheer scale is awe-inspiring. Built in 1994, this colossus runs on a MAN-B and DLU Model 6L60MC engine, a powerhouse manufactured by MAN Energy Solutions, generating an impressive 10,500 kilowatts or about 14,000 horsepower. Ensures the ship can push through vast stretches of ocean, carrying cargo that can weigh tens of thousands of tons. Though much of the ship's inner workings remain undisclosed, it likely boasts features standard to vessels of its class, including ballast tanks and dynamic positioning systems, both crucial for the ship's stability and precision, especially during docking. After a grueling 2-week journey from South Korea, the K Asian Beauty enters the San Diego harbor, where it begins a meticulous docking process. Unlike a simple canoe or yacht that can be anchored with ease, docking a vessel of this magnitude is an orchestrated effort involving harbor pilots, tugboats, and strategic maneuvering. Tugboats carefully nudge the ship into position, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the berth. The berth itself is equipped with fenders, large cushioned barriers that absorb the ship's impact and prevent damage to the hull. The entire operation requires extreme precision, accounting for factors such as tide levels, wind speed, and water currents. Once in place, the ship's mooring lines are secured to bollards, those sturdy posts you might see along ports. These lines keep the ship from drifting due to waves or shifting tides. Given that the K Asian Beauty carries nearly 7,000 units of cargo, keeping the ship steady is crucial. The vessel has up to 13 decks, some of which are adjustable to accommodate different types of vehicles, from compact cars to massive trucks. Imagine a floating garage where each level is customized to fit specific cargo needs. If even one vehicle is improperly secured, the entire ship's balance could be compromised, leading to disastrous consequences. But before the unloading process begins, an army of border control officers boards the ship. Their job is to scrutinize every aspect of the cargo and crew. The first step is reviewing the ship's documents and cargo manifest, which details the number and type of vehicles on board, as well as any additional equipment. Officers cross-check these records with a physical inspection. Any discrepancies can trigger further investigation, reminiscent of the infamous hold transporter incident in 2015, when Kenyan authorities discovered firearms and drugs concealed within military vehicles aboard a Norwegian flag carrier. Beyond cargo, Border Patrol teams also inspect the crew. It is not uncommon for unauthorized individuals to attempt to board these ships, either posing as crew members or being trafficked against their will. Immigration authorities verify all documentation, ensuring compliance with international labor laws, particularly those outlined by the International Labor Organization's Maritime Labor Convention. Environmental checks are also critical, as these ships must adhere to strict regulations to prevent pollution. Inspectors examine fuel tanks for potential leaks, ensuring proper sealing and functionality. Waste management systems are scrutinized, with ships required to comply with MARPOL Annex IV regulations governing sewage disposal. One of the most crucial inspections involves the ship's ballast water management system. Ballast tanks located at the bottom of the ship are filled with seawater to maintain stability. However, ballast water can also introduce invasive marine species into new ecosystems, disrupting local biodiversity. To prevent this, international laws dictate stringent guidelines for ballast water discharge. Failure to comply can have catastrophic environmental consequences, as seen in the case of the Asian green crabs invading European waters and zebra mussels overwhelming North American ecosystems. Once all inspections are completed and the ship receives clearance, the unloading process begins. Unlike standard cargo shipments, vehicle carriers require an intricate loading and unloading system. Logistics teams pre-plan the placement of each vehicle based on height, weight, and destination. Taller SUVs are typically placed on higher decks, while compact cars fit within lower decks. Proper weight distribution is essential to maintain the ship's balance, preventing it from tilting excessively in rough waters. Vehicles that will be unloaded first are placed closer to the ship's ramp, allowing for a seamless offloading process. Speaking of ramps, these structures are engineering marvels designed to support up to 150 tons. They facilitate the movement of everything from passenger cars to massive buses and construction equipment. Drivers must skillfully navigate tight spaces, often parking vehicles just inches apart to maximize deck space. Once positioned, vehicles are secured using wheel chocks, durable blocks placed against tires to prevent rolling. Lashing straps anchor the vehicles to deck-mounted rings, ensuring they remain immobile even in turbulent conditions. For heavier cargo, steel chains provide additional reinforcement. But even with all these precautions, disasters can still occur. The 2019 MV Golden Ray incident serves as a chilling reminder of what happens when things go wrong. The massive car carrier, capable of transporting over 4,000 vehicles, capsized while departing the port of Brunswick, Georgia. Investigations reveal that incorrect ballast adjustments and uneven cargo distribution led to the ship's downfall. The wreck posed a significant environmental threat due to fuel leaks and chemical contamination from the vehicles on board. Stalders teams employed the VB-10,000, a massive twin-crane lifting system, to cut the ship into sections for removal. The entire cleanup operation lasted 2 years and cost over $1 billion. The Golden Ray disaster underscored the importance of proper weight distribution, ballast management, and safety protocols. Today, maritime regulations are stricter than ever, with enhanced fire suppression systems, improved cargo securing methods, and more rigorous inspections. Ships like the K-Asian Beauty operate under these heightened standards, ensuring safer voyages across the globe. From its towering structure to the intricacies of docking and cargo management, the K-Asian Beauty is more than just a ship. It's a marvel of engineering and logistics. The coordination required to keep such a vessel operating smoothly is a testament to human ingenuity. As global trade continues to grow, the need for efficient and safe shipping practices remains paramount. And while the sea holds its fair share of challenges, modern advancements ensure that these giants of the ocean continue to navigate our waters safely. Bye for now.